What up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike T's back at you with another episode. And today we're opening up some more samples that was sent to your boy. This one wasn't priority, but they still sent it out to me. They said, Mike, I need you to do some type of samples, give us a little review, and if you like, please purchase products from us. So that's what we're about to get into. Stay tuned. So this one's from FM Expressions Unlimited, and it says, fire up the heat press. Your sample pack is here. No more rustling with the package. I'm sorry, 360 GZ. I can't do it as elegantly as you do it. Set it on to the side. So, okay, it gives you a little book, some ideas, different ways to load the garments onto the heat press, which I kind of discovered a way. I actually stole Stan Banks' way of doing it. I thought it was a lot better. Let's see if we can get to the... Okay, here we go. Oh, they sent your boy a lot. Almost as much as stalls. Which stalls we got to talk about. But that's another video. Okay, so the first sample they sent me was Spectrum Works. And it's a heavy pressure. Settings at 325, 7 seconds. And peel hot. Okay. The next one is same settings as far as the pressure goes at heavy, but the temperature is different. 240 to 280, 7 seconds hot peel. And it says Bulldogs. And that looks like it'd be a water-based formula, 2 colors. So I'm pretty interested to see how that's going to turn out. Ooh, I like this one. Fashion formula. Temp 350, 7 seconds hot, and it's kind of do it like that. I like that bear on there, California Republic. Oh, this is really nice. Fashion formula for darks, and it's a flag. 350 for the temperature, 7 seconds hot. That seems to be their mantra, 7 seconds hot. The next one is nylon formula. Temperature at 300, 7 seconds hot as well. And it's a car, it looks like. Okay. Roadster and custom show. Might make me a shirt with that one to rock. Ooh. This next one is also a fashion formula for lights, 350 degrees. I might make that for my daughter. It's just Lex. Also, while we're on that subject, go check her channel out, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And she also has merch now, which is awesome. The next one, non-woven formula. Temperature is at 250, and once again, 7 seconds hot. It says annual Smith family barbecue. I mean, there is some Smiths in my family, so I might, you know, do something with that one. The next one's an athletic formula, and the temperature is 325. Hot, 7 seconds peel once again, and it says Bulldogs on that one, varsity champions. And let me bend down to get this foil that dropped. Hey, y'all make mistakes, it happens. It looks like this goes with this sample, which is a foil formula, a little piece of formula on there, foil, and it says wedding March 15, 2019. Hey, I've been married since 2006, so I ain't getting married, but if somebody getting married, hit your boy up. Also, 350, 7 seconds peel. Hey, I gotta give it to him. That 7 seconds sounding pretty appetizing, because everything else takes 15 to 20. The next one is a non-woven program application, 250 degrees, 7 seconds hot peel. They sent me quite a few. I want to say probably like 10 to 15 samples. This next one is a performance formula, and that's 300 degrees, 7 seconds hot peel. Another athletic formula at 325 Fahrenheit, 7 seconds formula or heat, and that's Bulldogs Gordon Varsity. Looks like a multicolor one on that one. Mom and Pop's Lollipop Shop. Okay. nylon formula. I spoke on the nylon formula before because I think this is really good for doing jerseys, and you know, it's a lot of rough and tough, haggle and tussle. So when you have the nylon, it tends to stay to the shirt a lot better, especially when putting it on the jersey. And the temp for that is 300 degrees in 7 seconds hot. And last but not least, Rocky Mountains vintage formula. Now with Stahl's vintage formula, we had some issues. It didn't really want to come off, like the black kind of stayed on here and then half the image went onto the shirt, and it was really a hot mess. So you need to go check that out in my last video if you didn't see that. The temp for this is 375, 7 seconds hot. So yeah, thank you FM Expressions. We're definitely going to try those out and do a review video soon. If I'm not a hustler, then what do you call that? Basically, that's what it is that I'm rocking on my chest. It says Mike Cuts, Mike Cooks, and Mike Tees. The true definition of an entrepreneur. You know, you see it, read it. And I'll be having these shirts out as well on my channel for merch if you would like to copy some. Go ahead and get some. Stop playing with your boy. So the other package that I got was from Oracal or Orafoil. This is the same company that sent me the tape. They sent me a sample of their vinyl. It looks like sticker paper, pretty much is what I call it. But it's for pressing vinyls. They gave me this pretty cool teal color and black. So I can't wait to get into that, make some decals with this bad boy. I mean, they sent me a pretty hefty roll, almost more than what you would get if you went to Walmart. And you want to get a close-up of the black. So if you like this content, please join. So if you would like to see more of this content, please like, subscribe, and share the video. I mean, it costs you absolutely nothing, just a little bit of your time. And also hit up my daughter, It's Just Lex.